boss, I'm here. Okay, the one with the red shirt, do not touch him. He's my son.
Well, howdy mate. Welcome back to my awesome YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to take apart and ungum your carb on your new 2024 Chevy F950 Duramax Super Duty Mudslinger. First step is to crack a beer. Next step is to identify the carb. If you have difficulty finding it, just crack another beer. Next, grab your bar over yonder, crack a beer, and gently remove your carb. Give that old nail there 1-2 punch with that toothbrush of death. Inspect the float, crack some bait, and make sure it floats. Finally, put the carby back in your 2025 Toyota Colorado 3500 HD Mega Duty Mudslinger.
You have once again proven that you have the gratitude of an eagle and the stagnant repugnance of a dwarf melon.
We're just doing our little part to make sure that our products do not aid in harming environments like this one here, where animals live and thrive, and they work. There's an endangered species right there.
I've got one more thing to try, but I can't remember what it is. But it has something to do with your head and this saw. Oh, but I can't remember.